Hi everyone, my name is Aradhya. Today I am going to show you how to make a paper star. For that we have to take an A4 sheet. We have to fold it into two halves. It should be equal. Make sure that the corners should touch each other. And when you are done, you will get the open side and the closed side. From the closed side, we have to make a triangle like this. And as we make a frog, so when we are done making, crease it properly and then open it. When you are done opening, do the same from the open side, and we have to do the same from that. And when you are done with this, crease it from here and you will get a dot into the middle. From there you take this closed side and press it to the dot. If you get extra space here, no need for taking that equal. So now you will take this longer edge which is coming up to the dot and fold it like this into a triangle. It should also be equal, but if it gets not equal, the triangle will get spoiled. And then again from the closed side, we have to make it a triangle and both edges should touch each other. If it doesn't touch, that means it's not equal. And then we have to take this to the opposite sides, and then you can see this line coming down. So now it's the last step. Take your scissors and cut it like this into a triangle shape, and here your star is ready. See, just a final step. You can see two sides are coming up and three are going down. So we have to make this three also come up like this. And when you are done doing all, then you can see your star. It is perfectly done. See. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.